In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on smooth scrolling in Firefox. If you'd like your web pages to scroll more smoothly, instead of moving in abrupt jumps, Mozilla Firefox includes a built-in smooth scrolling feature that you can enable in just a few moments. Smooth scrolling creates a more fluid browsing experience, making it easier to read long articles, browse websites, and navigate through web pages without the scrolling feeling too sudden or choppy. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on. To begin, open the Mozilla Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox has finished loading, click the Application menu located in the upper right corner of the browser window. This menu is represented by 3 horizontal lines and gives you access to the browser's settings and other important features. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Firefox Settings page, where you can customize many aspects of your browsing experience. Stay on the General section if it isn't already selected, and scroll through the available options until you reach the Accessibility section. The Accessibility section contains several settings that allow you to customize how Firefox behaves while you're browsing. Continue scrolling until you find the option labeled Use Smooth Scrolling. Next to this option, you'll see a checkbox that controls whether the feature is enabled or disabled. To turn on smooth scrolling, simply click the checkbox so that it becomes selected. As soon as the checkbox is enabled, Firefox applies the change immediately. There's no need to restart the browser or save your settings manually, allowing you to begin using the smoother scrolling behavior right away. After enabling the feature, you can open any web page and test the difference by using your mouse wheel, touchpad, or keyboard to scroll through the page. Instead of jumping from one position to another, the page should move with a smoother and more gradual animation, making it easier to follow the content as you scroll. If you ever decide that you prefer the previous scrolling behavior, you can return to the same accessibility section in Firefox settings and clear the checkbox. Firefox lets you switch the feature on or off whenever you like, so you can choose whichever scrolling style feels most comfortable for your browsing habits. Once you've finished adjusting the setting, simply close the Settings tab and continue browsing normally. Your preference will remain in effect until you decide to change it again in the future. That's all there is to it. Turning on smooth scrolling in Firefox only takes a few clicks and can make browsing websites feel much more comfortable and responsive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.